Need to replace the furling line. Choke them and poke them in the eye. There we go. Well, we got them back. You want to show us downstairs?
Sure.
Okay.
You spent your winter redoing the cushions. Now we have a nice umbrella fabric.
And then just stay just outside of that piping.
Good, hon. Now we just see it all together. What's that called? The piping?
Piping, yep.
That one. Lizard,
Actually turned out pretty good. I think Nicole is excited for her night on the boat.
One night on the boat. One night.
Next project is to put the headsail back. Note to self, do not put the furling line on backwards. All wound up and ready to furl. And when you furl it this way, it furls the sail inside out. So I've got to redo this. Looks like I need a longer furling line. All right. Okay.
Have you had one?
They have not yet.
Okay.
We're changing out the running rigging. This was the end of the main sheet. And this is just super crunchy line. I'm discovering that the golden rule for running rigging is calculate how much line you need and then add 25 feet to everything. Since we're not sailing, it's time to retire this old beater, and I have a brand new life sling case. There we go. Like new.
Okay, hon, what do you have here?
Oh, I've got a dinghy.
Is it a dinghy for a doll boat?
Yes.
It looks really small.
It's big enough. Ooh. Hey. It's pretty nice. Look at who's in a dinghy.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what this thing can do. Here we go. It wasn't long until Nicole was tired of motoring around the marina. So we grabbed dinner and prepared ourselves for bed. Take a quick turn here.
Finish my wine, drink some water, and then brush my teeth. And I have to get the water.
Well, we made it. We got out, the weather settled down. We're looking at about 7 to 10 knots of wind. And Nicole is in her favorite spot. What do you think, honey?
It's relaxing. This is the perfect amount of wind. 4 knots. Really like.
It's not, well, it's 7 right now.
Yeah.
And it's actually perfectly balanced right now. This Islander is a very nice sailing boat. Yeah, we did a lot of work this weekend and we still managed to get out and do a little bit of sailing today. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the engine is fixed. The transmission leak is done. It's a beautiful day outside, but that's not where we are because we're sailors. We are down here and we just had a small victory because I got this nut off, and it took every bit of strength and a little bit of skin to get it off, but now you can see the next step. Perkins always drip a little bit of oil, and that's to be expected. We'll keep on top of that. I forgot my sextant.
What's the section for?
That's so we can figure out where we are.
Oh, you can do the back?
I think so.